Ever wonder why a drug discovered in a French lilac plant over a century ago is still the absolute first line, gold standard for type 2 diabetes worldwide? It's not because it forces the pancreas to pump out more insulin. In fact, it completely ignores the pancreas. Forget the basic textbook definitions. Metformin is far more than just a simple liver drug. Its journey begins in the gut, where it achieves concentrations 30 to 300 times higher than anywhere else in the body. Using the organic cation transporter OCT1 to enter cells, it concentrates heavily in three key areas: the gut, the kidneys, and the liver. Once inside the cell, its mechanism splits based on dose. The high-dose route, metformin, enters the mitochondria and gently blocks complex 1. This drops ATP production, causing an energetic shift that forces AMP to rise. This high AMP to ATP ratio recruits LKB1 to phosphorylate and activate AMPK, which instantly shuts down the liver's glucose-making genes. In the low-dose route, metformin skips the mitochondria entirely. It binds directly to PEN2 on the lysosomal membrane, recruiting an axane LKB1 scaffold to switch on localized AMPK while simultaneously shutting down mTORC1. But metformin doesn't rely on AMPK alone. That rising pool of AMP acts as a direct molecular wrench. It chemically inhibits FBP1 to halt glucogenesis, blocks adenylyl cyclase to turn off glucagon signaling, and inhibits MGBD, shifting the cellular redox state so the liver can no longer convert lactate into glucose. Finally, it rewrites systemic signaling. In the gut, it blocks SGLT1 and forces an incretin boost of GLP1. It even triggers the release of the stress hormone GDF15, which travels straight to the brainstem to suppress appetite. This exact multipathway versatility is why it's heavily researched in oncology, simultaneously starving tumors by blocking mTOR, forcing p53-mediated cell cycle arrest, and directly targeting hypoxic cancer stem cells. That is metformin, unlocked at the absolute highest molecular level. Subscribe for more videos and don't miss our series on Pharma Simplified.